Today, I'll show you how to add custom fields to Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to tailor your CRM layout so it captures exactly the information your team needs, instead of relying only on the default fields Zoho gives you out of the box. First, open your web browser and head over to crm.zoho.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Zoho account and that you have the right permissions to customize modules. Usually, you'll need to be an administrator or have customization rights. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, that's the first thing to check. Once your Zoho CRM dashboard loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This gear icon is your settings menu where all the configuration and customization options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside settings, you'll see a variety of options related to your CRM, but for what we want to do, look for the section labeled something like customization or modules. Within that area, click on modules and fields. This is the place where you can control how each module in Zoho CRM looks and behaves, including the layouts and the fields that are shown. After clicking modules and fields, you'll see a list of modules such as leads, contacts, accounts, deals, and possibly some custom modules your organization has created. Here, choose the specific module where you want to add custom fields. For example, if you want to track extra details about your contacts, click on the Contacts module. Just select that module from the list to open its layout settings. Once the module is open, you'll see the current layouts associated with it. These layouts define what fields appear on the record page and in what order. To avoid changing an existing layout that other team members might rely on, it's often best to create a new layout. Click on the option that says Create New Layout. Zoho will usually let you base this new layout on an existing one, which can save time, or you can start from scratch if you prefer. When the layout editor opens, take a look at the left side of the screen. Here, Zoho shows you a panel that includes different components you can add to your layout, and this is where the custom fields section appears. In this area, you'll see different field types you can use, such as text, number, date, pick list, checkbox, and more. Each type is designed for a specific kind of information, so think about how you'll use the data when choosing the field type. To add a custom field, simply drag the field type you want from the left panel and drop it onto your layout on the right. Place it in the section and position where it makes the most sense for your users. For example, you might want important fields near the top of the record so they're easy to see at a glance. As you drag and drop fields, Zoho will usually prompt you to name the field and set basic properties, like whether the field is mandatory or has a default value. Take a moment to arrange your fields in an order that feels logical and easy to use. Group related fields together so the record page is intuitive and doesn't feel cluttered. You can move fields around until you're happy with the layout. When you're finished adding and arranging your custom fields, look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the layout editor. Click Save to apply your changes. Zoho may ask you to confirm, and once it's saved, your new layout, complete with custom fields, will be available for that module. That's all it takes to add custom fields to Zoho CRM and customize your layouts so they truly match your business needs.